Hey kids, I'm so glad you're back. We are going to review how to do multiplication word problems using the phrases times as many. So if you have your math packet, go ahead and get it out and turn to page 12. That's where those problems are. There are 8 problems on that page. We're going to do number 1 together. So let me go ahead and share a screen with you so you can see how I'm going to work this problem out. There we go. All right, so there we go, my screen comes up. Let's remember, how many times are we going to read our math problems? Right, 3 times through. And what are the letters that help us remember what to do with each part of that reading? Yep, cubes. So I'm gonna write cubes down the side of my paper. Go ahead and write it down the side of your paper as well. So it's there and you can use it for all the problems on this page. Fantastic. All right, I'm going to read it one time through, and we're going to each think of a word in our head that describes what this problem is about. The library has 5 mystery books on a shelf. It has 4 times as many fiction books on another shelf. How many fiction books are on the shelf? All right, get it in your head. What is one word or phrase that this problem is about? All right, on the count of 3, everyone's going to say it out loud. 1, 2, 3. Books, my favorite subject. All right, let's keep reading. We're going to read it one more time, and this time we're going to be looking for the question. The library has 5 mystery books on a shelf. It has 4 times as many fiction books on another shelf. How many fiction books are on the shelf? Go ahead and underline the question. Very good. How many fiction books are on the shelf is the question. So we're trying to figure out how many fiction books they have. All right, we're going to read it one more time through. We're going to do some circling, underlining, and boxing so we can solve this problem. The library has 5 mystery books on a shelf. It has 4 times as many fiction books on another shelf. How many fiction books are on the shelf? All right, so I would like you to go ahead and circle important numbers, numbers that we're going to need to solve this problem. Five mystery books is an important number. And 4 times as many, very good. Now we're going to box keywords. I see times as many is a keyword that tells us what operation we're going to be using. I see how many. And I think that's about it. Does anyone else find another one? All right, great. So now we need to figure out what it's asking us to do in the information we're given. Now I see in this first sentence, it tells me the library has 5 mystery books on a shelf. So I'm going to write M is my variable for mystery books equals 5. Now we're going to read the next sentence and we're going to put it into math language. So we're going to make a math sentence with variables and numbers, all right? It has, and remember it is the library has 4 times as many fiction books on another shelf. So I know that I need to use multiplication because it says times as many. And I know I'm going to multiply it by 4 because that's in the problem. So I'm going to go ahead and write down here 4 times. What am I multiplying? Am I multiplying the fiction books or am I multiplying the mystery books? I know because of the way this is worded, it says it has 4 times as many fiction books on another shelf, that I need to multiply the number of mystery books by 4 to get the amount for fiction books. So now I have a math sentence. 4 times M equals F. We already know what M equals, so we're going to plug that number into our equation. 4 times 5 equals F. Go ahead and solve, kids. Great. F equals 20. So now we can take our answer and put it in the blank. There are 20 fiction books on the shelf. Great job, guys. Keep working. You have 7 more of these problems to do. Work them just like we worked this one together. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, and I would love to help you with anything you're working on. Have a great afternoon.